Here's how to make your next $5,000 with Instagram, even if you have little followers, no connections, and no idea where to start. In this video, I'll break down the 3 simple steps to build a theme page that brings in daily sales. So step 1 is to already create a theme around a topic that makes money. You're building a page that people follow because of the value. So like, for example, like you want to just pick a niche that's already making money. So I picked specifically credit because I already knew people needed help, like getting funding and fixing their score. So I knew this was perfect for me. But you don't primarily only have to do credit. There's several different niches. Like I started a theme page on motivation. You could do things like motivation, entrepreneurship, or you could do something that's like strictly wealth. Like there's this page called Wealth with over 11 million followers, and they're making like $50,000 per post. So the niche is very important because if you pick like a weak niche, then it's going to prevent you from making a lot of money in the future. You basically want to make this a mini business. Your job is to post content that people in that niche are already searching for, things that people love and share. And then your page becomes digital real estate. And this is the foundation of making $5,000 a month with Instagram. So step 2, after you picked your niche and you know exactly what you want to do and you know the direction that's going to make you money, you want to start actually making your digital product, because this is how you're actually going to make the money, by selling something. So first of all, you want to head over to Canva, and then you want to go to create, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Docs. So after we go to Docs, we're going to use Canva Magic Write AI tool. So you could simply put something like, make me a funding bundle pack guide for credit. Then you're just going to hit generate, and then you'll press insert. And just like that, you have your guide ready. So if you want, you could edit this around too. So you don't have to keep it like this. You could change the elements, the text, the template. Then after you're that, you're just going to go to share, hit download, and then make sure it's a PDF. That's very important because this is how you're actually going to be able to sell your digital product later on. And then boom, just like that, now you have your digital product ready. Okay, now you're going to list it on sites like Gumroad. So Gumroad is free and they only charge you a fee after you make a sale. So there's no upfront cost. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the dashboard, and then this should be like right here. So when you get to right here, you're going to click on products. This is where you actually list your product. So I already listed my product right here, but I'm just going to show you a quick example on how you could do it. So, I'll name this the funding bundle pack. Then I'm going to price it for like $27. $27 is a good range for products like this. And then you could add a short description. So what I would do is, if you don't know a description that you want to do, you could ask ChatGPT and tell them about your digital product, whatever you're trying to sell, and ask it to write you a description. And then you could also make yourself a cover image using Canva too. So the most important part is putting the content. So you put the content by clicking right here where it says upload files. Then you're going to go to computer files. And then you're going to go to where this is where it was right here. Funding bundle pack guide for credit. So this is how the person is going to be able to download your file. And this is how you're actually going to get paid for your digital product. So you'll just press publish and continue. And just like that, now you have your digital product ready. So this is the URL that you're going to copy. And this is the link that you're going to give to people so they can actually buy your digital product. And if you ever want to make changes, you could unpublish it and edit it and then save changes again. So now that you guys know the 3 steps, what you want to do is pick a niche, keep posting content related to a problem that your audience is having. That's very important. And you also want to make your digital product early. So you want to use Canva and AI to make your digital product. You can use Canva's Magic Write AI tool to design your product. And then after you're done with that, you can also design it a little bit and make little edits to make it stand out. Then you just want to list it on Gumroad. You want to list it because Gumroad is free and they only take a 10% fee of your digital product after you're done making the sale. So this is the link that you're going to give to people. So when they click on your link, they have a place to buy your digital product. So all they're doing is just looking at your theme page from their content, and then they enjoy your content so much they're going to check out the link in your bio, and that's how they're going to start purchasing from you. So guys, if you want my exact system on how I build my Instagram theme page and make over $5,000 a month, make sure to check out my free training. Link will be in the description box below. I'm out though. Peace.